Hey guys, Wolf here. It's been a while. Back to here with you with a quick video. I found this on TikTok actually. It is a Stranger Things cup, tumbler to be exact. Like I said, I found her on TikTok. The store is the Cats Meow Cups. It's pretty funny. And it costs about $71.75 after tax, United States dollar. And it took a long time for it to get here, but it's finally here. It came all the way from Canada, and I purchased it on Etsy, and of course I'll leave all the descriptions and links, the links in the description below. Now, I've seen quick pictures of this, and I wanted to be mainly more surprised when I got here in person, but it is supposed to be a Hellfire Club tumbler. So yeah. We'll just take the whole thing out. This packaged really well. Oh, it's coming out there. Well, let's go ahead and start on in here. Nice. Okay. Nice standard clear straw. And this is the lid. Oh, here we go. Okay. Clear lid. And here is the cup. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Let it go like that. Put that to the side. Nice. Feels nice and sturdy and heavy. There's a little tape on the bottom. Look how well that is wrapped though. It's really nice. Okay. Layer by layer. Get that just right. Wow. Look at that. Now, as you can probably see, like the upside down. That looks absolutely amazing. You got your Hellfire Club, your emblems, because you know they're like a D&D club. You got your tape for the times. Ooh, and you got Vecna's clock. And a little Demogorgon. Man, look at that. That looks crazy. That is wicked. Wicked. It's like pretty, but like nasty at the same time. It's so cool. And there you have it. Definitely an awesome cup. I totally recommend it. Of course, I'll leave all the links in the description below. And as always, peace out, guys.